If you're looking for a quick and effective way to qualify leads before hopping on a sales call, this tutorial is exactly what you need. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to use forms to qualify leads. Before the call even happens, saving you time and making sure every call is with someone worth speaking to. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share one key takeaway that will completely change how you approach lead qualification, plus how you can get a free trial of the exact software we're using exclusive to my channel. So let's get straight into it. The goal here is to use a form that filters out bad leads while encouraging serious prospects to schedule a call. You want to gather just enough information to know who's worth your time without overwhelming the lead. Start by creating a form with basic contact fields: name, email, phone. But the real power is in the qualifier questions. Ask things like, what's your current budget or investable amount? What's your biggest challenge right now? How soon are you looking to make a decision? Have you worked with someone like us before? These aren't just random questions. They give you insight into urgency, fit, and intent. For example, if someone selects 3-6 months as their timeline, you can deprioritize them in your pipeline. If they select ASAP, they go to the top. Now, here's where it gets even better. Connect your form to a calendar. Once they submit their answers, only qualified leads get to book a call. You can do this by using conditional logic in the software we're using. If their budget is below a threshold, or if they're not ready to act soon, the calendar doesn't appear. This is what filters the tire kickers from the buyers. Bonus tip: add one final open-ended question like, anything else you'd like us to know before the call? You'll be surprised how much people reveal, and it can give you serious leverage on the call. Our software makes this whole process super smooth, from building the form to automatically tagging leads based on answers. You'll find the exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel in the description below. Feel free to follow along as you watch. To recap: 1. Use forms to qualify leads before any call. 2. Ask smart, relevant questions tied to urgency, budget, and fit. 3. Use conditional logic to gate your calendar. 4. Add one open-ended question for context. 5. Automate everything to save time and close faster. The key takeaway? Never waste time on unqualified calls again. With the right form set up, every sales call you take will be with someone who's ready, willing, and able to buy. And don't forget, if you want to build your own lead qualifying form like the one I just showed you, check out the exclusive free trial of the software I used. It's in the description and only available to viewers of this channel. That's it for this one. See you in the next quick tutorial.